Hey, how you doing, sir? This is Leo Arona again. I spoke to you earlier. Totally understand that you got an IT guy, but this is just to show further that I'm just honestly just wanting to help local roofing companies get to the first page so you can drive more business. So I'll do this really quickly so I can show you this. I know you're super busy and you can show this to your IT guy and he can help you out and get this done. First thing I see is there's not enough content on this home page. I love the logo. But again, I specialize in SEO, which is search engine optimization. I know everything that Google wants to see in order to get your business to the top of the Google rankings and the top of the local map pack. So the first thing you want to do is you or your IT guy needs to add 1,500 to 2,000 words on this home page. Another little trick of the trade, the way these images are saved, you can see on here that this is how they're saved. So that is incorrect. These need to have buyer intent keywords embedded in these photos. That's honestly something I wasn't even planning on sharing, but I seen all the photos, so I wanted to help you out and show you that as well. And then all these back pages here, I like to have 5 total, need to have 750 keyword or 750 words of content on here. Sweet truck. 500 to 750 words of content on each and every one of these pages. These roofing pages or service pages need to be broke down to single pages by themselves to help you. Each one of these pages should have 500 words to 750 words of content on them. And again, the pictures need to be saved accordingly. So what I do is I compare it to the #1 ranking competitor in your area, and that is Pro Finish Remodeling. And as you see, they don't have SEO there either. They don't have the content that they need on this home page. Now what I do is I use this tool called Ahrefs, and it shows why they're outranking you. And I know why they're outranking you, and I know how to beat them. They've got 82 backlinks, and you've got 8. They've got 34 organic keywords. You've got 6. Y'all's organic traffic is close to the same. But what I do is I go in here and I take all the backlinks from this tool that I have, and it shows me where they get all their backlinks from. So I go copy those backlinks on the same exact sites that they went to, and I put your URL in there. Because a backlink is just simply your URL is in one place on the internet, and it gets directed back to your website. So we got content, we got backlinks covered. This is the strength of your site versus the trust. As you see, there's no strength built up and just a very little bit of trust. And we'll go over here and see what theirs is. And the last thing I want to talk to you about is keywords. Keywords are words or phrases that are buyer intent and specific to your area, like roof damage, Owensboro, Kentucky, or roof repair, Owensboro, Kentucky. Things like that are buyer intent keywords. So again, I click in here and see what their keywords are, see what they're ranking for, and we can match that and outdo it. So at the end of the day, I don't just go 1 or 2 above. If they've got 15 pictures, I'm putting 30 on yours. If they've got 600 content words, I'm putting 2,000 on yours. If they've got 5 pages and they don't have but 200 or 300 words on each one of those back pages, I'm loading 5 to 750 on yours, along with the organic keywords with the backlinks. The last thing I wanted to tell you about was citations. Citations is name, address, phone number, better known as NAP. That's anywhere you can go on the internet, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, Yelp, put in your business name, your business phone number, and the address. And that citation links back to your site, giving it more power. So again, my name is Leo Arona. I hope you enjoy this video that I sent to you. I don't really expect a call back from you. So I wanted to send this to you so you can show your IT guy. And if he can do this stuff for you, within the next couple of months, you will see progression. And hopefully you'll be on that first page. I'll be looking out for you. You have a good day, sir. Again, my contact is 270-841-3600 is my cell phone. And you'll be getting this from my email. Have a blessed day.